In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your American Airlines flight within 24 hours. Go log into your American Airlines account. Go ahead and click on the plan travel section. And here, you will see at the right hand side an option that says your trips. Go ahead and click on that. Now, right here, you'll see your upcoming trips. Go ahead and select the one you actually want to cancel. And then here you'll see all your trip details. All you want to do is come here on the left hand panel. You'll see this option to cancel your trip. Go ahead and click on that option. Then it will take you to this page where you do a review of your trip cancellation. Basically, if you want to actually go ahead and cancel. If you do, just go ahead and click on cancel trip and your trip will be canceled. And if eligible, they'll go ahead and also reinstate your miles and refund the eligible taxes and fees up to 1 year after the ticket issue date, okay? And then right here, you should see this where your miles have been reinstated and your trip status should show cancel. But it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.